Anong sabi mo?
Sabi mo.
Oh. Anong sabi mo? Sa long hair ko, inggit ka lang. Hindi ikaw ako. May parating?
Local.
One of the
Oranger?
most famous. Ayun ba yun? Ha? Famous ba yan?
Mayo ang tindog.
Maayong tindog.
Mayo ang lawas.
Tanan ani
Ani-
demonyo ug anyawa. How are you?
Mustafa.
Kay palo ka? Tiki, atsahe. Atsahe ba atsahe? Tell me. Kalam tu.
You have Leo's number? I thought he took my bag.
Leo, he just left.
Yeah.
Mm.
You have his number?
No, I don't have. Ma'am Lisa, check all the mobile number.
Before in the Philippines, only Tagalog. Now English is speaking.
Mabi
Ha?
ka lang English, mabi ka lang English.
Mapi malo. Ni. Muskila ni, ha? Muskila ni Alatul.
Ano going up and down only?
Up and down, oh, forward and back.